In this video, we are going to learn about how to set a profile picture in Substack.com. First of all, open a browser and then type for Substack.com like this one. Here you can see it's our Substack homepage. Now I want to add a profile picture. Click to profile option and then here you can see edit profile option. Just click here. Now you can see a default profile picture. Now I want to change this one. Click to pencil icon and then select a picture from your device which one you want to set as your profile picture. Now fix your position or fix your sizes. After completing, just click to done and it's done. Again click to done. Voila, it's done. So you can change your profile picture using this method. I hope this video will help you, and also I hope you should like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.